Most brisket tacos out there, they're missing this one secret ingredient that transforms them from good to absolutely mind-blowing. Today, we're not just making beef brisket tacos, we're crafting an experience. Imagine tender, smoky beef, falling apart with just a fork, nestled in a warm tortilla with all your favorite fixings. If you've ever thought brisket was too complicated or always turned out dry, get ready, because we're going to fix all that and show you the easiest way to make melt-in-your-mouth tacos right in your own kitchen. The biggest challenge with brisket is usually keeping it moist. No one wants a tough, dry taco. That's where our secret comes in, a long, slow cook with just the right amount of liquid, locking in all that amazing flavor. We start with a simple, savory rub, sear the brisket for a beautiful crust, then transfer it to a Dutch oven with a flavorful broth. This low and slow method, whether in your oven or a slow cooker, works its magic for hours, breaking down those tough fibers into pure, succulent tenderness. When it's ready, that brisket just shreds with 2 forks, swimming in its own incredible juices. Pile that glorious meat onto warm tortillas with some fresh onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime, and you've got a taco that'll make you forget every dry brisket you've ever had. Click here to see how we make the perfect quick pickled red onions for these tacos.